So I'm a beginner. I started in the spring of 2025 and this is my 11th track day, and now I'm going solo. One thing you should never do is miss the checkered flag because that upsets everybody. Now when you're first starting HPDE, there's a lot to learn, not only the line and how to drive, but also all the flags. And there's a whole mishmash of a variety of different flags that one has to learn. Checkered seems pretty obvious, but you have to know where to look for them. That's the other problem. Now here, I thought that car was pitting in, but instead of pitting in, he passed me on my right, and I had to give him a point by, and so I was looking in my rear view mirror and giving him the point by, and I did not see this checkered flag. So I have no idea that there's a checkered flag, and I'm just running this lap just like a normal lap. When you drive with different groups, the run lengths or the session lengths are different. So for example, I had just finished being driving with PCA, and in the afternoon these sessions can be 30 minutes, whereas here in HOD this is a 20-minute session, and plus since I went out late, my session is actually only maybe 17 or 18 minutes. You have to have an internal clock and kind of know when start to really look for the checkered. I mean, in reality, you should be looking at the flag stations all the time. Now here comes another flag station, and I have no excuse for not seeing this. And yes, I just took a point by from this Miata, but I should have seen this. So my friend in that white Shelby over there asked me afterwards, why did I miss that checkered flag when you saw me pitting in? And yeah, it's embarrassing. Don't miss the checkered. But it's also crazy. I saw these guys pitting in, and now I see the checkered. So I missed two prior checkers. Now I see the checkered. I actually think I'm doing great. Okay, I saw the checkered, so now I'm going to do my out lap and slow down and cool down.
Checker flag, let's just drive the line.
So in my mind, I think I just saw the first checkered, and so now I'm just going to take a chill lap. Oh my gosh. So the moral of the story is, don't miss the checkered, because that affects the next run group. It shortens their time. They get upset with you. Everybody, all your friends come up to you and make fun of you. There's a lot to learn from HPDE. It's just truly a learning experience. I only have 11 track days under my belt, but what a great experience.